Okay, so this is the test setup for a contactor using the DAQ application. Channels all set up, so I've got 6 set up for temperature, type K thermocouples. These are the L1, T1, L2, T2, L3, T3. They match the connections on the actual contactor. So the connections are called L1, T1, L2, or T2, etc. I've then got measuring the voltage drop across each of the phases. 3 channels used up there. We've got the test current that's been injected through the phases. That has been set up off of a shunt. So I've got a millivolt output and the shunt ratio is 100 amps equals 50 millivolts. So I've got 2000 to 1 there, and I've set it for amps DC. And then finally at the end we've got up here coil voltage, which is AC voltage, and then coil current, which is AC current. Because the coil current is less than 1 amp, it's 350 to 400 milliamps, I can use one of the current channels within the DAQ itself. And then for computed channels, I have 3 of those. They're all calculating the resistance for each phase. They're divisions, dividing the relevant voltage drop across the phase via the overall test current, and I've set the units to ohms. And that is the test setup. Graphics wise, I've got a couple of windows set up, so a couple of strip charts. This one's monitoring all of the 3 temperatures on each phase, and then this one I've got monitoring the voltage drop across each phase. And then I've got some little reading gadgets, they call them, over here that are set up to display the resistance for each phase and the overall test current, and these are set up via the gadget properties. If you click on one, you can then change to whatever channel you want it to look at. And that's the full test setup. Scanning wise, I'm going for 2 seconds after 10 minutes. And the first test will inject 25 amps.